why didn't he go for me? You know, how come the guys that I want never want me?
I'm not touching that.
I'm inappropriate. I always say the wrong thing. And Helena always says the right thing. She doesn't even try. And he just picks her. And she's always the one that everyone picks for everything. And I try so hard, and I'm never the one that...
It's not a competition, Caroline.
Yeah, it is.
She never slows down. She doesn't know why, but she knows that when she's all alone, feels like it's all coming down. She won't turn around. So stand in the rain, stand your ground. Stand up when it's all crashing down. You stand through the pain, you won't drown. And one day what's lost can be found. You stand in the rain.
You are the only stupid thing here. And shallow. And useless.
She won't make a sound. Alone in this fight with herself and the fears whispering if she